Wait, what the? Why won't this remote work? Let me see. What do you know? Someone took a battery out of it. So you will need a paperclip. Any paperclip will do fine. You'll also need your remote. So we're going to complete this circuit, and a paperclip will do just fine. So unfold your paperclip and make it wide enough so that it will be able to fit in like a battery. Make sure both ends of the wire are touching each other, otherwise the circuit will not be complete. So once you get it stuck in there, you're ready to test it out. So just keep trying and give it some time. Eventually you will get the TV to be turned on. Voila! Now I'll turn it back off. Now turn it back on again. Now turn it back off. See, it works. Enjoy.